Okay, so I just purchased 2 gigs of RAM from Newegg.com, which is a great website for shopping for electronics and computer parts. There's also a Newegg.ca, which is for the Canadians of you out there. What impresses me most is that this was manufactured only a few years ago, maybe a year and a half ago, and this was manufactured this year. And you can see the significant size reduction, and this equates to less CO2 and less resource wastage, and I think that's awesome. So we're definitely getting there in terms of environmental consciousness uh, in the electronics world. Uh, I'm going to show you guys where RAM goes. Most of you know this already because most of my friends are nerds just like myself. I'm using the light from my focusing of my Canon thing, and you see that blue line and that black line? Yeah, that's where they go. You'll see a little divot in your RAM right about there, and one end is shorter. Usually the top and the superior end is shorter. I can't really tell which is shorter now. Actually, I think this is probably the right way to do it. This part's shorter, this gold line, and over there. These lines are the conducting portions, and it should go in like this. You can't see anything because my big fat hand is blocking everything, but on each end there are these locks that you gotta push in place. So this is a lock, and it just slips over the end after you really have to push it in, and then that white part locked in on it, and then it's secure. We'll put its bigger brother over it. This should be the right way. And I didn't lock it in yet, but I'll lock it in, and that's pretty much it. And in your system properties, you should be able to see an increase in RAM.